Owning a car used to be about freedom, the thrill of the open road, going wherever and whenever you wanted. Today, it's turned into sky-high gas prices, surprise repair bills, expensive insurance, and monthly payments that drain your entire paycheck. $700 a month? For what? But change is on the horizon. Tesla is making moves. Big builds are coming by the end of this quarter, says Lars from Tesla's product team. We're on schedule to begin large-scale equipment installations in Texas, with production still set for next year. That means it's actually happening. The long-anticipated Tesla Model 2 is no longer just a rumor. It's real. No gas, no oil, barely any maintenance. And finally, a price tag that puts EVs within reach for average Americans. This is the most affordable, tariff-resistant EV yet, designed with seniors, young professionals, and budget-conscious families in mind. Before we break down the jaw-dropping price and specs, don't forget to subscribe and tap that notification bell. At Future Drive, we keep you up to date on all things Tesla, so you're never left behind. So why is the Tesla Model 2 such a game-changer for 99% of Americans? Let's be real. In 2024, buying a brand new car feels impossible. The average cost of a new vehicle in the U.S. hit $47,218. Meanwhile, the average Social Security check? Just $1,900. That barely covers living expenses, let alone a new car payment. It's not just retirees feeling the squeeze. Younger workers, especially Gen Z, are struggling with rising costs and stagnant wages. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, real income growth for Gen Z has dipped below 1.2%, while inflation on essentials has surged over 6.4%. Many are stuck walking, biking, or nursing old gas guzzlers just to avoid a $600 plus monthly car payment. Enter the 2025 Tesla Model 2. Tesla's cutting-edge gigacasting process and localized production mean lower costs and minimal reliance on foreign supply chains. It's one of the most tariff-proof EVs on the market, giving Tesla a major pricing edge. Estimated starting price? Just $11,575 to $13,575, depending on trim. That's over 70% cheaper than the average new car, and often less than a decent used one. And the savings don't stop at the sticker price. No oil, no gas, no complex transmission, minimal upkeep. Operating costs projected at under 4 cents per mile. For families, retirees, and regular commuters, the Model 2 is more than a car. It's a new kind of freedom. Comment Model 2 if you think $11,575 for a Tesla is finally realistic for everyday people. Could Elon Musk be on the verge of transforming the car industry again? Back in the 1950s, Honda did something similar in Japan with the Super Cub, a low-cost motorbike that sold over 100 million units and gave families freedom to move and work. Now, Musk could do the same in America. How? By ditching traditional dealerships and ads. Every Model 2 will be sold directly online or at Tesla hubs, cutting out the $2,000 to $4,000 in dealer markups. But there's more. Tesla's planning pilot lease programs in lower-income states like Mississippi and Kentucky, where many households earn under $42,000 a year. These leases could cost as little as $150 to $200 per month, no down payment needed. Compare that to the national average, $716 per month for new cars per Experian. Just like the Honda Cub changed Japan, the Tesla Model 2 could do the same here. No debt, no oil, no middleman. So, how did Tesla reduce costs by over 70% to make the Model 2? Traditional gas cars use around 30,000 parts. The Model 2, fewer than 10,000. 3 key innovations make this possible. Gigacast front and rear frames, replacing 400-plus welded pieces. A structural battery pack. Simplified drivetrain components. This cuts labor by up to 40%, improves strength, and reduces weight by 10 to 12%, which boosts range and saves up to $1,000 per unit in materials. Total moving parts? Under 150. That's up to 90% less than a gas car and 40% fewer than most EVs. The result? Lower chance of breakdowns, lower maintenance, and faster production, under 10 hours per vehicle. No overbuilt features, no expensive sensors. Just a car that drives, turns, parks, and brakes. Nothing more, nothing less. Tesla's new user interface will also be redesigned with a senior mode featuring larger icons, voice commands, and high-contrast text. Simple, intuitive, and accessible. So what are you driving now, gas or electric? Do you think a car with fewer than 150 moving parts could really outlast your current one? Drop a Tesla in the comments if you think this is what the future looks like. Owning the Model 2 won't just feel like buying a car. It'll feel like buying back your freedom. With gas prices expected to hover between $3.50 and $4.20 per gallon in 2025, many drivers are spending $150 to $200 per month just on fuel. Switching to a fully electric Model 2 removes that burden entirely. Maintenance costs also plummet. American drivers currently spend $1,200 a year on maintenance. The Model 2 estimates range between $100 and $300 per year. That's up to $300 in monthly savings, or $7,000 to $18,000 in total over 4 to 5 years. Enough to cover the car's entire price. Charging is simple too. It'll work with standard level 2 home chargers, and Tesla will offer low-cost installation. In rural areas, solar charging hubs will offer clean energy independence. And now a scrap and replace program can make it even easier to switch. If your current gas car was made between 1998 and 2010, you may qualify for federal and state rebates that make the Model 2 even more affordable. Programs like California's Clean Vehicle Rebate or New York's Drive Clean Rebate offer $2,000 to $4,500, and when combined with federal incentives, total savings could hit $7,500 to $9,500. Tesla will partner with local agencies to simplify everything, even offering home pickup of your old vehicle. No dealership trips needed. Could this be Tesla's secret weapon against cheap Chinese EVs? BYD, the world's biggest EV maker, is coming to North America soon with the $9,200 Seagull, a compact, ultra-budget EV. But Musk isn't backing down. The Model 2, with US production and advanced gigacasting, will compete on price, quality, and brand trust. Built in Texas and eventually in Mexico, the Model 2 avoids heavy tariffs and shipping costs, giving Tesla a competitive edge Chinese brands won't easily overcome. And in the US, Tesla already has over 1.8 million vehicles on the road. Bid: nearly zero brand recognition outside of a few bus contracts. Factor in 700,000-mile battery life, Tesla's supercharger network, and low-cost ownership, and the Model 2 is built to win. Electric cars are no longer just for the wealthy. Tesla's Model 2 is made for regular people, working families, seniors, anyone tired of being squeezed by car costs. No gas stations, no surprise bills, no dealer pressure. Just affordable, reliable freedom on your terms. Thanks for watching. For more bold tech updates, check out our other videos right here.